Hey guys, what's up? It's Rachel and welcome back to my channel, That's So Rachel. If you're new here, go ahead and press that subscribe button down below and turn on your bell button. As you guys can see by today's title, a little bit of a different video. This is kind of my first like DIY interior design, whatever you want to call it, video, and it was a journey. But I wanted to vlog it. I wanted to show you guys how it turned out. So this video, obviously, as you guys can see, is about taking my childhood dresser and literally redoing it into something new and making it 100% better. And instead of going out and spending a bunch of money on getting a new dresser, I decided to just do this little DIY project and redo my dresser. So, without further ado, are you guys ready to see the journey from the old dresser to the new dresser? Can't wait for you guys to come on this journey with me. Let's go! So as you can see, this is my current dresser. It's actually my mom's old dresser, and I've used it as a dresser growing up, so it's kind of a kid's dresser. But as of right now, the dresser that I need and want is sold out on Amazon. It's been sold out for months, and I'm not going to pay this expensive amount of money for another dresser from Wayfair or even like IKEA or something. I just want to obviously kind of like refurbish this just for like, you know, just see what I can make it into. And also I've been watching too much HGTV and I want to DIY, and this is not like plumbing or electrical, tearing down walls. This is very simple, paint and doing different things with it. So as you can see, I have these crystal knobs on it, and those are the knobs that I want to put on it. Here they are. I got them off Amazon. I will link them down below because they're really cool. They're literally the silver with the crystal. It's literally every girl's like dream like knob on a dresser, you know. So as you can see, this is like my little my old, when I was little, it was like a ballerina or like a magic wand, like a fairy princess type. So obviously when I was little, this was perfect, right? Because it was like girly, pink and purple, whatever. So the other day I took them off and put these on just to look. These are my crop tops, ignore that. So it's just unscrewing it and then screwing this one on. And so obviously I love it. You guys should comment down below if you love the crystal. So I actually have to take all my clothes out, and I'm gonna have to clean it with this like chemical stuff, basically stripping away all the stains and all that. And as you can see, where even older handles used to be, when my mom used to have it when she was little. And then after that, I'm gonna have to sand it down, and then I'm gonna have to put a coat of primer on it, and I'm gonna paint it this like antique white, this like eggshell white, I think it's called, or something. I will definitely vlog what the paint is, the exact color and all that type of stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna paint it white, so I have to do about 2 coats of that, and then I obviously have to do like a shellac, like a top coat essentially. So all that, guys, it's gonna take me like a week probably, because I think you have to let each paint coat set for like 24 hours. I don't want to rush it. I want to make it perfect. So I'm gonna have to take all my clothes out and then take these drawers out, and I'm gonna have to do the drawers separate than the actual dresser. So it's gonna be a journey, but I'm very excited just to refurbish this, redo it, give it a fresh new look, because if you guys didn't know, everything in my room is like white, silver, gold. But this nightstand I actually got from Amazon as well, and the exact matching dresser is the one that's sold out. So I wanted it to look exactly like my nightstand, but that's okay. So this came with other knobs. We took them off and we put the same Amazon crystal knobs like that. So that's essentially what it's gonna look like, is that white with the silver and crystal knobs. So if you guys can picture that, that's what it's going. So as you guys can see, this was literally my mom's old like baby wallpaper put in here. So I want to take this out if I can, and obviously put another wallpaper in here. So yeah, a lot of cleaning to do. All right, y'all. That's so funny. I just realized that did not have a wallpaper in it. And like all my other ones did. But anyways, guys, as you can see, they're all 6 empty. As you can see, look at all my freaking stuff. Left it in like semi-organized piles, so when I go back, it's not hard to put it all back in what drawers I want it. So now it's time to remove the hardwares, and I'm actually going to be doing this down in my living room over trash bags and stuff, because I don't want to ruin the carpet and all that type of stuff. Not like I'm going to be like slinging paint everywhere, but you know, just better be safe than sorry. And yeah, guys, can't wait to get started on. All right, y'all, so the hardware is off. Got it all off. And guess what? I noticed that on the bottom 2, so basically the bottom 4, I noticed is 2 holes. I forgot because the bar. So I'm not going to do 2 knobs. What I think I may do, hear me out, is this matching 3-tier thing that I kind of redid the handles on and stuff, which obviously you can see goes with the dresser. Redoing this would be a whole nother thing that would take me forever. May do it because I just love the setup of the 3 tiers, and I just think it's so cute. Especially if I have a daughter one day, I would love to like give this to her. I think that this is like antique, that I could literally refurbish it into that like antique white. But anyways, I had like cleaned it up, cleaned it out, and redid the handles. And I think I got these handles at Home Depot, but see how this is a silver and a clear too, and this is a pull handle. I think that that would actually be perfect to go with the silver and crystal knobs on the dresser. So at some point I'm gonna have to go to Home Depot and probably get these, because they were like sold out one time I went there, because obviously like everybody wants these. I mean, look how cool they are. So I think I'm gonna have to get those for the pull bars, because I don't want to do two knobs. I think that'll look tacky. So yeah. Okay guys, so gotta update you guys. Don't know where I updated you guys last. I was up in my room taking the clothes out, taking the hardware off. Since then I have completely taken out the surface paper, the little wallpapers inside, completely sanded inside and outside of the drawers, completely vacuumed, cleaned them out, put a coat of white primer on, and now I just finished the first coat of the white paint on these drawers, guys, and I'm already loving it. Obviously it's kind of nighttime right now, so you can't really see with this kitchen light the true color. It's this nice like bright antique white. It looks so good on wood. I love it. And by the way, let me show you guys the paint I'm actually using. Ignore our mess around here. This is the Valspar Ultra Interior Paint Primer, and it is the eggshell color, ultra white. So basically eggshell means it's like the finish of it, so it's kind of in the middle of like not too like matte but not too shiny. It's just that perfect type of finish to go on wood projects. Let me show you guys. I have this on trash bags in my living room, but this is basically the actual dresser the drawers go in. So last night I did the white primer. As you can see, it's not because I kind of did it in the dark, but obviously the 2 coats of white paint will perfectly cover this up. It'll be totally fine. But as you can see, that's kind of the white primer on it. You can see a little bit of yellow underneath it, and that's totally fine. I just put the primer on there to create a finish and a base to put the 2 coats of the white paint on. So see, my dresser, so many years of just, it's not focusing, but there's a lot of nicks in that wood, like on the surface, of just taking things on and off the dresser. And I even put primer, not all the way back in there on that center wood piece, but on the edge wood pieces in the middle piece right there, I put the primer on too. But as you guys can see, with the light a little bit, it is kind of more matte. But see, the top of that dresser was already shiny and shellacked from like the previous paint job from literally like 50 years ago. So you guys, that's the update, and soon I will be putting the first coat of white paint on this tonight, and maybe I will come back with an update for the second coat. If not, I may just have to cut it to the finishing product when I have all the hardware on and everything. So yeah guys, I am so excited. Okay, are you guys ready to see the freaking dresser? Are you guys ready? If you're ready, give this video a thumbs up. So, you ready guys? All the hard work, all the process, all the steps that you guys just saw, are you ready to freaking see it? Let's go. I'm gonna do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. Here it is guys. Here it is. Can we just take a moment? Finally, something that is not weird yellow color, that's white, clear, silver, beautifulness that literally goes with everything else in my room. Did not break the bank. A beautiful, beautiful dresser. Guys, look at these crystal knobs. Can we just? These are from Amazon, and I'm gonna link them down below for you because look how freaking perfect they are. These, I think I got at Home Depot. Also just beautiful and goes perfectly with the crystal knobs. Guys, just how perfect. The paint, and I showed you guys the paint I used, but so the only downfall is I didn't put a top coat on, so I had to be careful like scratching it, like probably like it's white, so things that are like black, gray, things that can scuff it is probably gonna maybe make a little scuff that I may can get out, but just gotta be very careful with it. Now also I want to show you guys the contact paper, okay? So obviously I finally put all my clothes back in my drawer, but I wanted to show you guys this contact paper. It is white marble and it's like shiny, so it's like slick. And I will also link this down below. I got it off Amazon as well and literally love it. I had to like cut it, like make it like it was a whole process guys. My mom helped me out with the contact paper, but it is just so beautiful and shiny, and my clothes just sit right on it, slide, like it's so much better than having splinters in your clothes. These are all my crop tops and tank tops and stuff. So yeah guys, it's beautiful. It really is. It truly is guys. I love it, and I really hope you guys love it as well. Okay guys, well that's it. That's the video. You guys saw the dresser. Hope you guys love it as much as I do. I honestly had like a fun time doing this little DIY project. It took a while. It took me about a week because all the paint layers, I let each layer dry like 24 hours. So it kind of took me like a week. And also ignore the mess. I'm cleaning out these closets that haven't been cleaned out in like 20 years because this used to not be my room. Anyway, so yeah, I'm so excited about this new dresser and the cute contact paper in it. Guys, it just goes with my whole room. The whole white, black, silver, gray, neutral, like cool theme. Usually, and I mix some golds in there too. You guys know I love gold. But yeah guys, I literally love it, and I hope you guys love it too. So again, thanks so much for watching. All my social media will be linked down below in the description. And besides that, give this video a thumbs up if you love the dresser. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!